Hi, my name is Mohamed A. Ait Hammou. I am 35 years old, married and proud father of 2 adorable children. I am a senior data analyst. I love working with data, solving complex problems, and build very complex models. My strength is the realism of my models. Being a high-level mathematician, having a deep understanding of physics, I have the ability to translate the reality into mathematical equations. This allows me to build all kinds of algorithms, calculations, models that allows my clients to have a clear vision of their businesses, a deep understanding of their clients' behaviors, and a precise idea about their operations. My approach is innovative, using mathematical technique applied to data-driven business optimization. It helps you take the most difficult and impactful decision at a glance. We have already set the world record of the highest conversion rate using these techniques in the matters industry, using solely this methodology. If you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact me here. I'll be more than happy to get in touch with you and discuss further. Waiting for you. Thank you.